Hello guys, this is Oddbjørn Dahl from Pattaya. I come from Norway, so my English is not 100. But today I skal speak about corporate license. What are corporate license? Let me share the screen, guys. Corporate license, you can buy home or holiday, everything. So let me share here. I'll tell you what are corporate license. Corporate license is very amazing, guys. Maybe you had the plan or buy home, they give you 70% discount. Tell me any company give you 70% discount for your home, apartment, if you will buy land too. If you need the car, they give you 60% discount. But any company give you 60% discount for your car, 50% discount for your travel, or they come more and more here. I have speak before about education license, this video too. But we have good presentation of all what Kubit Life have. It's an amazing company, guys. Very amazing. I'm so excited for this company. So now I go to corporate license. Go here, go to my back office, you click to here. If you want a presentation, you click on the document. Now we go to my back office, guys. So internet maybe it's slowly. And the corporate license is the license for everybody. Everybody. Every people need this. So I think we are in. Come on, guys. Yes, we are. We are. It's going to be a very short video. Corporate license. You can buy new, second, whatever. Now we go for the home. The home, apartment, land, whatever you choose to take, the example will be the same. Now I take an example for the easy. If you have a deposit $10,000, they give you $33,000 after only 5.5 months. They take 2 weeks of the activation. So 5.5 months, you will have back $33,000. The same as they do in education, retrading your money. 5 months later, they give you back $33,000. So if you have $100,000, they give you back $333,000. So you can buy apartment, home, and then you can buy land. So this is amazing, guys. I have, so I showed you before, but this I have 14,500 in education license. So I can buy in my home, I can make 14,500. So 5 months later, 5.5 months later, I can take out $48,333. So if my home costs this, I can use this. If they cost 60,000, I can use of this. If the 80,000, I can use of this. And if your home costs 30,000, I cannot use this. You must have from this or up. So you calculate here what time you will buy home, apartment, you deposit money here, 5.5 months to take out. Maybe you do not need home, apartment, and you need car, new and the second. The joys are the same, or every place to live in the world, they're the same. They pay the same. So whatever car you take BMW, Ferrari, up to you. You take one BMW and 600. I can start for $5,000. So $5,000 in the education from before, you can use 5,000 here. So they give you 5,000, give you back after 4 months, guys. After only 4 months, they give you back $12,500. If you deposit, I can have here $14,500. They give me back $36,250. 4 months later, they take about 2 weeks of the activation for this contract. They pay you back 4 months or 2 weeks, so nearly 5 months. So 4.5 months, they pay you back for 14,500. They give this. I have the education from before. So for my education, I have nearly $3,000 every month. Only from this, also come this together. Guys, nice car. And I have car, so I not go for this. So maybe I go later for the new building and not finish for about 2 years. And maybe I go for the education, no, for the travel. Take a normal trip. Can take my family, you can go alone. Up to you. You take your girlfriend and the children. If you have 1,000, give you $2,000 back 3 months later. 3 months later, guys. 3 months later. And they take 2 weeks of the activation. The same they do here. They trade in money, give you back this. Easy. People so have a look video 1 or video 2 or follow me. They know I have trading nearly 11 years. Very little bit from my trading. And it's not my trading. They do it for me. I deposit 30 October. They give me back 119%, $1,195 of 1,000. I have 130%. When this is complete, I have $2,500 back. Every time I have $50, I can take out. I know I speak about education, corporate license. I speak every day about education. So, and this is corporate license, guys. So the same here. You go to or deposit your money into you go here into your Kuben Life wallet. After you can go or make here, but you must have an education license for the same. Everything you can read in document. The company is strong, so don't worry about this. You will find out everything. FAQ. So the next video I will speak about cashback. Video 3. So guys, see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye here from Pattaya. I stop share screening. See you soon, guys. Bye.